How to download new text on CapCut PC. Hey there. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to download new text on CapCut PC. First things first, you'll need to find a custom font that you love. There are plenty of free and paid online font websites out there, but some of the most popular ones include Google Fonts, Font Squirrel, and DaFont. Take some time to browse through their collections and download the font that catches your eye. Once you've found the perfect font, go ahead and download it to your computer. Make sure to install the font properly so that it's ready to use in CapCut. Now, let's open up CapCut on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the desktop icon or by using the Windows Start menu or Mac Launchpad to search for the app. With CapCut open, it's time to add some text to your video. Look for the Text button in the top toolbar at the top of your screen and give it a click. This will bring up the text editing options. Within the Text tab, you'll see an option called Font. Click on it to bring up a drop-down menu. From there, choose the option that says System. This will display all the fonts that are currently installed on your computer. Now scroll through the list of fonts in the resulting drop-down menu until you find the custom font that you recently downloaded and installed. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. And just like that, your custom font is now available to use in CapCut. You can go ahead and add it to your text layers, customizing the look and feel of your video to your heart's content.